This perm uses the 9-section method to control the lengths while wrapping. Each subsection is subdivided using the larger rod to determine the width and is then weaved in half. The lower section is rolled onto a smaller rod, while the top section is left out to be rolled later. Weaving the rod from side to side while rolling longer lengths helps to distribute the hair evenly across the rod. Since the ends of the hair are uneven and hard to control, a double paper method is being used. This process of weaving and rolling the lower subsection on smaller rods is repeated through the middle panel. Once all the smaller rods have been rolled onto the middle panel, the sections that remain are now rolled with the larger tool. For easier control, this process begins at the bottom of the section, in this case in the nape area, with the larger tool being positioned on top of the smaller rod. This process is repeated until all the hair in the middle section has been rolled. Moving to the back side panel, this process is repeated. The hair is subdivided using the diameter of the larger tool then weaved in half, and then rolling the lower section onto the smaller rods, leaving the top section out. Once all the smaller tools have been placed in this panel, the remaining hair is rolled onto larger rods, positioning those rods on top of the smaller rods. Note, the parting pattern on the side should follow that of the one established in the middle panel. The remaining side panel is wrapped using the same method, with the whole process repeated on the opposite side. Remember, when working on the side of the head, always wrap the section farthest away from the face first, in order to have maximum control of the hair and the subsections. This perm creates a combination of curl patterns that support medium to long lengths.